Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the presentation now, Innovative Approaches in Civil Engineering. Before getting into the content, I would like to express my gratitude to the Namana Trust for giving me the opportunity to participate in Best Faculty Award in the academic year of 2024 and 25. Thank you, sir. So this is the title of this today's presentation, Innovative Approaches in Civil Engineering. So this is my brief introduction. Myself, Dr. Shivarajkumar Goudar, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. I have experience in teaching, experience is 11 years and research experience is 5 years, and I am interested in the soil mechanics subject and also specialized in the soil mechanics subject, and I have worked with the Fluxus 3D and 2D software, and also well known with the AutoCAD, 3D Max, interior design softwares also. This is my brief introduction. So these are the contents of today's topic, that are introduction, technological advancement, advanced construction techniques, environmental and social impact, future trends and opportunities. Right. So before starting the introduction part, let me know that what is innovative approach from your side. You remove the civil engineering, you can add some other branches like innovative approach in computer science, innovative approach in mechanical, or so on. So what is the meaning of innovative approach? Innovative means which is the things are available in recent trends, using that material or software or something you need to create or you need to generate some important which is useful to the society, right? That is called innovative. You should approach to the a particular branch like civil engineering or computer science engineering. So innovation, right? That is called innovation or innovative approaches in civil engineering. What are the innovative approaches in civil engineering? Let us know. So this is the introduction about what is technology advancement, right? So advanced construction technology refers to the broad variety of the complementary methods and procedure, including the most recent advancement in quantity surveying facilities, management, structural analysis and design and management studies. These all contents includes the advanced construction technology which come under technology advancement, which should be recently available, right? And it can cover with the sub branches of that surveying and management, structural analysis, design, and also the studies which includes the management studies like starting the project and ending the project with the schedule wise, right? These covers these technology advancement. Then in the older technology or in the older civilization, there will be a lot of manpower should be used to construct some temples or something, some structures, right? In the old civilization, they were not used any technology like softwares, 3D printings, or any kind of drone survey like this, or any kind of remote sensing software, GIS softwares, and StatForo like this. There were nothing softwares and nothing facilities, right? So there is only one thing they have to plan systematically. To execute that plan, they need lot of manpower. Using that lot of manpower, they are going to cut the big rocks or something. They are going to lift it and they are going to carry to the with a 100-meter high or some. These are the scenarios in the older civilizations. But in the recent, what happens? This picture gives you the clear image. We can use the cranes to lift heavy weights, more than tons, like 10 ton, 50 ton, 100 tons, and more than 100 meter also we can lift it. This is only one of the example, right? So this comes under what? advanced technology as compared to the old technology. This is the modern technology. Whether these materials are available in the market or not, these are available, right? So we have to go through the modern technology which can save the time and energy, which comes under innovative approaches in civil engineering, right? Then, see, the innovative approaches is not only limited for one stream, like one activity. If we are lifting 100 kg or 100 tons of weight from ground floor to the fifth floor, it is not limited only that one. These are the sub branches of the civil engineering, which the innovative approaches also makes more sound in these sub branches. What are the sub branches? These are the sub branches: surveying and leveling. See, in the today's modern days, they are going to use the what? Total station, drone survey, right? These are the advanced equipments and softwares to use or to make a survey, which the place is not accessible to the people. We are not able to go there. It is inaccessible. Physically, it is inaccessible. But even though physically it is inaccessible, we are going to make a survey of that particular area using the drone survey or some other GPS and QGIS softwares, right? So likewise, these all our sub branches are already implemented with the innovative approaches. It's the only thing we have to do, that what are the things is become advanced. Building, planning and construction. In a fraction of a second, we are going to make a design, like a walkthrough videos, then 3D printings. Before construction, we are going to see the elevation, see the cross sections of different types of structures. This is advanced technology, right? So this is limited to the building, planning and construction, advanced construction, right? Structural engineering, lot of softwares are there to analyze the strength of the beam, columns, slopes, right? To calculate the loads. Then geotechnical engineering. So that's what I have told, that in the geotechnical engineering there are n number of softwares are there, like fluxes and MIDAS, right? These are L-piles, these all are the number of softwares available in the particular geotechnical engineering field. Then water resource engineering, QGIS is the main key to analyze or to make a survey of the rivers, river beds, dams, capacity of the dam. We can analyze it. Then transportation engineering for construction of what? Roads, right? Environmental engineering. This is very, very important. Without environment, we cannot sustain. If our health is good, then we can do anything. If our health is not good, that means if our environment is not good, we cannot do anything, right? First, we have to give the priority to the environment engineering, right? Like avoiding the wasting the water or treating the wastewater or converting the river water into potable water. There are a lot of activities are there. Similarly, town planning. Town planning means it covers the executing or creating the smart city, right? A village is converted to the urban is converted into the smart city. These are the steps of town plannings. Systematic planning is required. Systematic transportation facility is required. It comes under town planning, right? So these are the sub branches which already implemented the innovative approaches. Still also the innovative approaches are coming, right? Then we will move on. What is a smart infrastructure? Do you know the meaning of smart infrastructure? What it includes? Right? It involves the integration of advanced technologies such as IoT and sensors into civil engineering projects. Smart city uses the technology to monitor real-time data on traffic, waste management and energy usage. Example, smart roads that adopt traffic signals based on the congestion levels. See, now I will give you one example. It covers all, but I will give the signals and some kind of cameras adopted in the traffic. If you are riding the vehicle which is not permeable more than the 60 kilometer per hour, you are in the 90 kilometer per hour, right? You are violating the rules and regulation of the traffic. But even though if you are riding that much of speed, we can capture the vehicle with your face identification, with your number plate identification by using what? Speed capture cameras. Right? Immediately the RTO people coming to know that which vehicle it is, who is the owner, and what is the exact speed he is driving there, whether it is legal or illegal. Within a minute you will get the text message or sometimes call also. This is the real-time data what they are going to implemented in the today's life, right? So this covers the smart infrastructure, right? Using the IoT also, Internet of Things, sensors. See here. This is the one of the picture of smart infrastructure city already developed and still also it is developing. Every space is covered with the camera and sensors and everything is monitored, right? Next one, advanced construction techniques. What is advanced construction techniques? See here. See, if you are going to construct one structure, let me give the example of the building which is having 2 BHK. Right? In today's days, what you are going to do? You are going to make a plan of that. You are going to make a walkthrough video. You are going to make a 3D, right? Right? 3D views, 3D printings, right? Then you are going to calculate the all kind of loads by to decide the column size, beam size, right? With the proportional to the strength of soil. So before constructing the structure, you are come to know that what are the negative points and what are the advantages, what are the different ideas we need to implement in the project or in the present construction. This indicates the advanced construction technology. The 3D printing is also available in the today's, right? So one of the best and one of the leading software is Building Information Modeling, BIM, right? So how many of you know this software, BIM? When it is introduced? Any idea from your side? Okay. See here. Building Information Modeling is a software which can execute all kinds of construction activities. It may be tunnel, underground tunnel, it may be embankment, retaining wall, it may be temple, or it may be high-rise building. Everything we can do or analyze, estimate in the Building Information Modeling software. Right? This is the one of the best software. BIM is the digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of building or infrastructure, and it improves collaboration among stockholders, reduce errors, and optimize project management. What I have told, it can easily reduce the errors and optimize the time. It can save the lot of time, right? It will guide us, right? Like then. One of the case study I have brought here, this is one of the case study in our India, that is Amritsar represents the first urban application of personal rapid transit, PRT. How many of you know about this PRT in the Amritsar? See here. At a peak capacity of the Amritsar system can carry up to 1 lakh passengers a day, 8 kilometers, elevated guideway in over 200 ports between 7 stations, making it the world's largest personal rapid transit system to date. This is a small kind of ports which is having the capacity to 4 to 6 persons in the port, and it is a driverless. Can you imagine that? It is a driverless. See here. Sorry, there is one. I will come back to that. See, these are the small ports. It is already executed in the Amritsar. Right? What it will do, it can cover 7 stations. The capacity of these ports is 4 to 6 people can carry. Right? It is a driverless. This indicates the advanced technology, and this technology is implemented by using BIM. Purely BIM software used here. Right? Can you believe it? It is in our India. I will go back to that slide. There are a lot of case studies are there. I have only brought one here. Right? So what is PRT? PRT is a systematic transportation system that can carry the lot of people from one place to another place with a safe zone. And in this Indian's infrastructure project development, the project aimed to provide a modern, efficient and sustainable mode of transport for the city's residents. Right. Then the team used BIM to design a detailed 3D model. Building information modeling. This model contained all components of the transmit system, including stations, tracking vehicles, and other infrastructures. Means it covers 7 stations. The origin and destination between these stations, it is already predetermined. Right? Then the BIM helped with the exact allocation of resources. And this project team will be able to accurately determine the amount of material required, schedule the work most optimally, and manage the workforce efficiently with the help of BIM. Right? With the help of building information modeling software. Then environmental and social impact. This is one of the important. Without environmental and social impact, eco-friendly materials, we cannot create anything as a civil engineers. We have to give the preference to these things first, then we can execute the remaining things. If you implemented some kind of a project which is against to the eco-friendly, or it is some kind of the risk zone is more, or you are against to the environmental impact, it is not a good project. It is not come under sustainable impact. So keeping in these things in our mind, we have to execute using the innovative approaches in order to serve the society, which covers the impact in the environment or impact in the eco-friendly things, right? Then, so what it says, innovation in civil engineering also addresses the environmental impact of construction and focuses on building infrastructure that serves social needs. Just what I have told, that if you are going through the innovative approaches, it should serve the social needs first. It should be eco-friendly, then remaining things, right? Then, engineers now prioritize eco-friendly materials and inclusive design that benefit communities and promote resilience to the disasters. Do you know what is the disaster? Any example from your side? Disaster means what? It is like, you can say it is a earthquake, which is unexpected changes in the nature, climate, sudden climate change, tsunamis, right, floods. These all are unexpected, which comes under disaster. Then, what are the eco-friendly materials and methods? How these are going to help in the civil engineering? How we are going to prioritize it? How we are going to count it? Right? What are eco-friendly materials? See, when you are constructing the structure or roadways or any project you are involving in any project, you have to take care about the environment by avoiding some chemicals, harmful chemicals, which can directly proportional or which can directly damage the surrounding environment, is called as eco-friendly materials. It is not only limited like using mud or using any kind of geosynthetics which is naturally available. You are constructing using that geosynthetics into the roadway. It is not like that. If you are using that geosynthetics, what are the maintenance cost? What are the efficiency? What are the stability? These are all things we have to predetermine before. Should be predetermined. Keeping that all things in our mind, we have to go through the eco-friendly materials and methods. So avoiding some of the chemicals which can damage the soil structure or which can create the soil pollution. Harmful chemicals, we should avoid the harmful chemicals to stabilize the soil. Tentatively it gives the stability, but after 5 years or after 10 years, it cannot damage the surrounding soil. Right? That kind of activity, or it cannot create the pollution in and around that constructed area. Then, this is the important, that is future trends in civil engineering. So, can you guess what are the future trends are going to use by our upcoming engineers, like you young people, after getting the degree? The scenario will slightly upgraded. Already the AI is introduced in the present days, right? Now, right? AI is introduced, right? So that in the future civil engineers will work with cutting edge technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning and robotics to improve the efficiency, safety and sustainability. See the difference between old technology, modern technology and upcoming technology. Can you imagine that? The AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning going to take a major role in civil engineering infrastructure. Yes, it is a upcoming scenario. The AI is going to highlight or take a major role in all kind of streams. So we have to take the benefit of the AI and also all these softwares like BIM also, right? So these are some of the examples of future trends in the civil engineering. So AI is being used to analyze the construction data, improve safety standards and predict the maintenance needs. It will give you a complete report, or it will generate you the maintenance report and which covers the all things. The robotics is helping in the automated construction process and maintenance tasks in upcoming days. Then, what are the opportunities for civil engineers? Sir, if everything is machine is doing, well then what we need to do? There is a rule, there is an opportunity. We have to upgrade our skills with the modern technology, then only the opportunity is going to create. Otherwise, it is going to miss. Right? So, what are the opportunities of future civil engineers? Engineers who embrace these changes will play a key role in shaping the future of infrastructure worldwide. Those who are going to use or work with the advanced softwares or cutting edge technology or 3D printing, they are going to make a key role in developing the infrastructures. Like one of the example what I have given in Amritsar, the ports, which is driverless, is carrying huge amount of people from one place to another place, which is traffic free. There are a lot of advantages are there, right? It is not a any magic or any circus. There is a certain advantages. In the nowadays, you see that what is the rate of traffic in the Bangalore or any advanced cities like Hyderabad, Chennai, right? Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. So that's why the metro is introduced, right? Like this is a circle, this is a cycle that as innovation continues, future civil engineers have a unique opportunity to lead in areas such as sustainable development, smart infrastructures, and advanced construction technologies. This is a like cycle, right? You have to upgrade your skill with the flow. Then conclusion. The last part is for presentation. So what we have discussed till now, these are the important points we have discussed here. Just I am going to recall one by one. So the first one is technological advancement. So the from smart infrastructure and building information modeling to the integration of IoT and data driven tools, we can analyze and we can estimate the material required, safety things, maintenance data, and also we can make it as a very zero errors we can say, or minimize the errors by using these all advanced technologies which give you the technology advancement. Then sustainable engineering practice. Without sustainable engineering practice, these remaining points are nothing. We have to give first priority to the environmental sustainable practice. Then green building technology and the recycling, reuse of construction materials are transforming the industry toward more eco-friendly materials, right? Then advanced construction technology like using the 3D printing, prefabrication, modulars construction are streamlining process and reducing the cost of the planning and executing of these projects, right? Then the environmental and social impact. If you executed it already, what are the social impact and environmental impact, whether it comes under eco-friendly zone or against to the eco-friendly zone? You have to think it properly. So eco-friendly materials and community-centered design emphasizes the importance of sustainability and resilience, which give the top priority. Then the last one is future trends that covers the artificial intelligence, using the artificial intelligence, machine learning, cutting edge tool, and robotic will continue to drive efficiency, safety, and precision in civil engineering field. Right? These are the points we have covered in the innovative approaches in civil engineering. Thank you, Anand.